In this video, we'll help you set up and start using your Garmin Lily 2 smartwatch. Next, we'll walk through how to start an activity. You can customize the activities available on your watch in the Garmin Connect app or on the watch. First, open the main menu and select Activities. Swipe through the options and select the activity you want to start. You can also connect your Lily 2 smartwatch to your compatible smartphone's GPS to accurately track your distance and pace during outdoor walks, runs, or bike rides. Then, just tap the icon on the screen to open your activity. Once GPS has been acquired, select Start. To stop the activity, press and hold the button at the bottom of the watch. Once you stop the activity, you'll see a recap of your activity data. You can either discard your activity or save it. Once saved, the activity will be synced to the Garmin Connect app for you to view. If you want to change the look of your watch face, press the button to open the main menu. Then swipe and select Watch Face. Scroll through the different options. When you find the layout you want, just tap it and the watch face will be updated. And that's it! Now you know the basics for using your Garmin Lily 2 smartwatch.